Hey, what's up, guys? It's Quick Gaming here, and we're playing some Doki Doki Literature Club. And we're gonna start now. Okay.
The game?
Yeah. Also, we have Matthew here.
Just put Kavan.
Kavanal. Y'all.
Anal.
Kavanal. Yep, Kavanal. Not even Kavanal. Okay.
Hi.
Hey.
Do I just click the arrow?
Yep. I see an annoying girl running towards me from the distance, waving her arms in the air like she's totally oblivious to any attention she might draw to herself.
That girl is Sayori.
Sayori. My neighborhood and good friend since we were children. You know, the kind of friends you never see yourself making today, but it just kind of works out because you've known each other for so long. We used to walk to school together on date. You know what? You just continue.
But starting around high school, she would oversleep more and more frequently, and I would get tired of waiting up. But if she's going to chase after me like this, I almost feel better off running away. However, I just sigh and idle in front of the crosswalk and let Sayori catch up to me.
Oh my god.
It is Wednesday, my dudes.
I overslept again.
Don't you sound like a man?
But I caught up to you.
I caught you this time.
No, just stop. It's already too late. We'll just keep it like this. Maybe.
Oh wait, we have to sound like Kavan.
Maybe, but only because I decided to stop and wait for you.
You say you're thinking about ignoring me? That's mean, Kavanal.
Kavanal. Why'd we choose this name?
Kavan watches this.
Well, if you stare. Or
yeah. Okay, you do Kavanal and do Sayori.
Well, if people stare at you from acting weird, then I don't want them to think we're a couple or something.
Fine.
Why?
Chong. But you did wait for me after all. I guess you don't have it in you to be mean even if you want to.
Whatever you say, Sayori.
I feel like she's gonna kill herself.
Why?
We cross the street together and make it race. Is this just the whole game?
Yeah, basically. As we draw near, the streets become increasingly speckled with other students making their daily commute.
By the way, Kavanal, have you decided on a club to join yet?
I'm gonna kill myself
Club
soon.
Penguin.
Yep, Club Penguin. It's Club Penguin, guys. My club is Club Penguin.
Christian Club Penguin.
Yep. I told you already. I'm really not interested in joining any clubs.
You wanna join the Weeaboo Club?
Nah. I'm joining the depression line.
That's not true. You told me you would join a club this year.
Did I? I'm sure it's possible that I did. In one of our many conversations where I'm dismissively go along with whatever she's going on about.
A very bad relationship.
Sayori likes to worry a little too much about me when I'm perfectly content just getting by on my average while spending my free time on games and anime. Of course, anime.
I was talking about how I'm worried that you won't learn how to socialize or have any skills before college. Thank you.
Yep.
Your happiness is really important to me, you know? And I know you're happy now, but I die at the thought of you becoming a NEET in a few years because you're not used to the real world.
Wow.
Joke's on you, the world isn't real. Right? You trust me, right? Don't make it Don't make me worry about you.
Alright. Kavanal. I'll look at a few clubs if it makes you happy. Kavan. I don't even know how to say that name.
I spelled that wrong. Kavanal.
Yeah. Okay, let's go next. No promises, though.
At least promise me you'll try a little.
Yeah, I guess I'll promise you that.
Yeah!
Screeches.
Why do I let myself get lectured by such a carefree girl? What the fuck is she wearing around her?
I don't know. The more than I thought, I'm surprised I even let myself relent to her.
You think he's trying to get laid?
No, I don't know.
I guess seeing her worry so much about me makes me want to ease her mind at least a little bit. Even if she does exaggerate everything inside of her head.
Oh, we teleported. Because apparently that's a thing.
Man, I wish my school class looked like this. I have a whole desk to myself.
The school day is an ordinary as ever, and it's all over before I knew
I
it.
fucking hate how all the desks now don't have the thing under it, so you couldn't put your binder there.
Yeah, that's kind of stupid.
They got rid of all of them. It's just like, fuck.
Oh, it's like, oh, you don't need to hold yourself. That's why you got a backpack for.
That's what you got partners for.
Well, we just skipped something.
Fuck, we had to restart the whole game. After I pack up my things, I stare blankly at the wall. Remember when Sean did that?
Yeah.
Looking up for an ounce of motivation. Oh, this guy's like me.
Clubs.
Club penguin. So Yori wants me to check out some clubs. The Ku Klux Club.
Oh my god.
Guess I have no choice but to start with the anime club.
Wow.
There's an anime club in school. Can I have like an action movie club in school?
Hello? Sayori?
So Yori must have come to the classroom while I was spacing out. Why is nobody else in the classroom?
Yeah.
Where the fuck's the teacher?
The teacher no longer cares.
I look around and realize I'm the only one left in the classroom. Oh.
Yeah, no one loves you, so...
The teacher literally left the class with just having him sleep there. It's like the janitor could kidnap him.
who cares?
I thought I'd catch you coming out of the classroom. But I saw you just sitting here spacing out, so I came in. Honestly, you're even worse than me sometimes. I'm impressed.
You don't need to wait up for me. If it's going to make you late, to your own club.
I thought you might need some encouragement, so I thought, you know.
You know what?
You know what?
I
Well,
know.
that you could come to my club. You could come on my club.
Sayori.
What's this guy's? Oh, yeah, Kevin. Yeah.
Oh my god. There is no way I'm going to be going to your club.
Meanie. Look at her face.
Yep.
That's Trump's face. China.
Sayori, vice president of the literature
That
club.
was the anime club.
It's Doki Doki Literature Club.
Oh. Not that I was ever aware that she had an interest. In fact, I'm 99% sure she only did it because she thought it'd be fun to help start a new club. Since she was the first one to show interest after the one who proposed the club. She inherited the title VP.
BP.
That said, my interest in literature is guaranteed to be even less. All this guy does is watch anime?
Yeah, I'm going to anime club.
I thought I heard you say that. Come on, P.
Peas nuts. Why do you care so much anyway?
Well, I kind of told the club yesterday I'm bringing in a new member. I was like a Cole. And Natsuki made cupcakes and everything.
Wow. Don't make promises you can't keep.
I can't tell.
You are a retard.
I can't tell if Sayori is really that much of an airhead. Or if she's so cunning as to have planted all of this. Oh. Oh, I can't. Oh, wait.
What?
We can see your house. Well, I let it alongside.
Fine, I'll stop by for cupcakes, okay. And I no longer care.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Teleported again. Why is this school so vacant?
And thus, today marks the day I sold my soul for a cupcake.
Oh, shit.
I would do that too.
I dejectedly follow Sayori across the school and upstairs, the section of the school I rarely visit. You ever go upstairs?
Man.
It's generally used for third-year classes and activities. Oh. Sayori, full of energy, swings open the classroom door.
And the door flies off.
And my parents are hanging from the ceiling. Well, there's nobody in the club. Everyone, the new member is here. Oh god, she's talking to herself.
I told you, don't call me a new member. I glance around the room.
Oh.
Welcome to Literature Club.
It's just girl 1. That's her
Girl
name.
1, that's her name.
With a boob job.
Yep.
Sir always says nice things about ye.
About ye.
The fuck? What the fuck? Seriously, you brought a boy? Oh, it's all girls.
Yep.
Wow, you kill the atmosphere. That's. I already tell she's a feminist.
Oh my god.
Kavan, what a nice surprise. Oh, I'm fine and laid. Welcome to the club. This must be like a uniform school.
Yeah.
Why would the school force women to wear that?
I don't know.
And look like sluts? Get off my
All words escape me in this situation. Then I leave the classroom with the cupcake I was promised.
This club
It is full of incredibly women.
Whammon.
Whammon.
What are you looking at? My eyes are down here. If you want to say something, say it.
Sorry.
Sorry. Natsuki?
The girl with sour attitude, whose name is apparently Natsuki. The one who I don't recognize.
Ooh.
Her small figure makes me think she's probably a first year.
Also, when I made cupcakes, you can just ignore her when she gets moody. Siri says that quietly into my ear, then turns back toward the other girls. Anyway, this is Natsuki, always full of energy.
Uh-huh.
And this is Yuri, the smallest and the smartest in the club. Dude, don't say things like that. Yuri, who appears comparatively more mature and timid, seems to have a hard time keeping up with people. Okay.
Ah, well, it's nice to meet the both of you.
Of course.
Oh my god.
Is it only 3 in the club? And it sounds like you already know Monica. Is that right?
Monica.
Monica.
It's Monica.
Oh. Who the fuck spells Monica like that? That's right. It's great to see you again, Kavanal. Oh shit.
Monica Smiley's.
Is she doing the Naruto thing?
Whoa! Away I go!
Oh shit.
Shit, I fell.
Did
I'm falling, I can't get up. I kinda hurt.
Okay, Kavanal says, you too, Monica. Okay, so Kavanal wants to have sex with Monica.
Yep.
While she does the little Naruto thing. Trying to see if she's doing the Naruto thing. Fuck. Come sit down, Kavanal. Made room for you at the table so you can sit next to me or Monica. I'll get the cupcakes.
Hey, I made them. I'll get them.
Made.
Sorry, I got laid.
I got a little too excited. Oh god, I can see a white stain in there. Watch, all 4 of these women have dicks.
What the hell?
And how about I make some tea too, as well? There's gonna be some stuff in that tea. We also have a few desks arranged to form a table. I don't see that. So you can walk over the corner room where Natsuki grabs a wrapped tray and Yuri opens the closet and there's 4 men in there. Still
4 men?
Still feeling awkward, I take a seat next to Sayora.
Sayora. Okay.
Sayora.
Okay. So we gotta save this?
What are we quitting here?
Yeah, and then we're gonna do another video. Save? Well, we'll save all of them.
What do I call
Tap on just tap anywhere. Okay.
Okay, on pause.
Wait. Okay. So we're gonna end the video here, and then we're gonna do a new one.
And as always, I hope you enjoyed.
Yeah, that.